Oh, g'day. It's nature time with Marky. You wouldn't believe what I've found. I found a native beehive underneath me stairs. Check this out. Right up here, found some native bees zonging out of underneath me stairs. You see them down there? Shitloads of them. Bloody bees everywhere. They're not your normal garden variety of bees. They're native bees. Native bees make native honey. Native honey. Special thing about these bees is they don't sting you like the European variety, which makes it really easy when you want to crack open that hive and eat up all that ooey gooey honey. Anyway, just thought I'd show you something real cool.